Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is from one of my students. He asked me how to do this question. This question also is from my looks. Okay, and the question, and we have this one, binomial as x times root x plus 1 over 2 times root x3, x to the power 1 over 3, then all power n, then n is greater than 1. Find the first three terms of the expansion in descending order. Okay. Actually, it is in descending order. Therefore, if we expand this in I think naturally it can be in the format of descending order. Okay, this is x to the power 3 over 2, and this is 1 over 2 times x to the power negative 1 over 3 to the power n. Then the first term is x to the power 2 over 3 to the power n, and then nc1 x to the power 2 over 3 n minus 1 times 1 over 2 times x to the power negative 1 over 3. And then the next term is nc2. nc2 should be x 3 over 2 to the power n minus 2 and 1 over 2 square, and then x to the power negative 2 over 3. Okay, then it is the first three terms of the expansion in descending order. Okay, that is so nice. The first term should be in the format is x to the power 3n over 2. The second term, which is nc1, is n over 2, and then combine these two terms, add them together. That should be, let me check, 3 times n minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Make a common denominator, it is 6. Okay, I think I don't want to simplify these terms. Just let this format. Okay, and nc2 is n minus 1 over 2, and then over 4, that's 8. The denominator is 8. Then x to the power should be, let me check, 3n minus 6 over 2 minus 2 over 3. That is the three terms of the expansion. That is part A. For part B, if the coefficient of the first three terms in common difference in descending order, it means that the coefficient, that these three terms coefficient are this minus this is equal to this minus this. This is so-called in common difference. Therefore, we have n over 2 minus 1 equal to n minus 1 over 8 minus n over 2. They are equal. Fortunately, it is a quadratic equation. We can simplify by multiply both hand sides is 8. 4n minus 8. n squared minus n. That is 4n. n squared minus, that is 9n plus 8 equal to 0. Then n is should be, let me check, 1 negative 8. n is 8 or 1. Okay, but n is greater than 1. Therefore, we have rejected the first one. The n should be equal to 8. Okay, in this case, we find the coefficient x squared x. The coefficient x is very simple. The coefficient, sorry. The coefficient x, not that. Oh, so crazy. And it means we have to we calculate those terms, x to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power negative 1 over 3 to the power 8. The general term, I write down it in summation format. Summation k from 0 to 8, xck, x to the power 3 over 2 to the power 8 minus k, and then 1 over 2 x to the power negative 1 over 3 to the power k. We have to simplify that and look for the terms of the x, the coefficient x. Summation k from 0 to 8, xck, then 1 over 2 to the power k, and then x 2 denominator 2 and numerator is 3 times x minus k minus k over 3. For the coefficient of equal to the coefficient x, that term should be equal to 1. Therefore, we have 3 times x minus k over 2 minus k over 3 equal to 1. Both hand side multiply by 666. Then 722k minus 9k minus 2k equal to 6. Let me check. Now, we arrange the terms. That is 11k equal to 72 minus 6 is 66. That is k equal to 6. Okay. 6, maybe it is 7. And then the coefficient of x should be equal to this thing. When put x equal to 6 is the coefficient of 6. xc 6 times 1 over 2 to the power 6. xc6 divided by 2 to the power 6. That is 7. Oh, 67. Yes, 67 over 16. Okay, that is the answer of this question. And okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe.